The market just delivered a signal that institutional investors have been waiting for. A quiet rotation into Indian IT firms, but it's not the rally retail investors might expect. This isn't about short-term news. It's about a potential structural repositioning in a sector often misunderstood by the broader street. We are witnessing early signs of a significant re-evaluation. Indian IT firms, like Tata Consultancy Services and Infosys, have built their core moat on a global delivery model. This leverages a massive talent pool to offer services at competitive price points. For decades, this cost arbitrage was the primary value proposition, driving consistent, if sometimes unexciting, growth. But that is only part of the story. The value proposition has structurally evolved beyond just cost. These companies, including HCL Tech and Wipro, are now deeply embedded in global digital transformation. Their operating segments span cloud migration, artificial intelligence, data analytics, and enterprise consulting. This makes them indispensable partners, not just vendors. Now, given the lack of recent company-specific reports in our data context, we'll shift to structural sector financial trends. Historically, the IT sector's revenue metrics have shown cyclicality tied to global enterprise spending. We've seen periods of accelerated growth followed by moderation during macro slowdowns. But here's what's changing: the baseline demand for digital is higher. That leads us to margin expansion and contraction. For years, wage inflation and visa costs put pressure on profitability. However, we are seeing structural tailwinds emerge. Automation, efficiency gains from generative AI, and a shift towards higher value consulting are providing margin insulation. Companies like Tech Mahindra are actively pursuing these levers. The next signal comes from management's capital allocation. Sector-wide, the focus has shifted from pure headcount growth to strategic investments in emerging tech. This includes aggressive M&A in niche AI and cloud companies, alongside significant R&D spending. These aren't just defensive moves, they represent an execution strategy for future growth. What changes next is crucial. Management commentary across the major players consistently emphasizes talent retention and reskilling. They understand that their competitive edge is tied to their human capital. This proactive approach to workforce development is a key part of their corporate guidance and indicates a long-term strategic vision for sustained delivery. Now look at how the broader sector is reacting within the global macro environment. While economic growth may be slowing in the US and Europe, the digital transformation imperative remains strong. Companies can't afford to fall behind, making IT spending more resilient than traditional capital expenditures. This creates a policy tailwind for Indian IT, even amid headwinds. The competitive landscape is also evolving. Indian IT is no longer just competing with other outsourcing players. They're now up against global consulting firms and niche software-as-a-service providers. This pushes them up the value chain, forcing innovation and deeper client integration. This evolution means better pricing power and sticky revenue streams. However, ignoring the risks would be a mistake. Geopolitical tensions remain a systemic headwind, particularly for global service providers. Protectionist policies and visa restrictions could impact talent mobility, a core component of their model. This vulnerability demands careful assessment from institutional investors. That leads us to a bigger question regarding terminal risk, the dual edge of AI. While a tailwind for efficiency, AI also poses a long-term disruption risk to some legacy services. Rapid technological obsolescence and the need for constant reskilling represent ongoing cost inflation. Companies must innovate or risk margin pressures from new entrants. Despite the risks, the forward earnings visibility for the IT sector appears robust. The multi-year thesis of digital transformation, cloud adoption, and AI integration isn't dissipating, it's accelerating. Large deal wins and strong deal pipelines, even for players like Nifty IT constituents, signal sustained demand. This isn't just a rally, it's a repricing of structural growth. This leads to a critical valuation reassessment. The recent buying momentum in the Nifty IT index suggests that the market is finally acknowledging this long-term shift. While some companies may be approaching historical valuation extensions, the persistent demand and evolving service mix suggest a higher structural multiple might be justified. It's time to reevaluate what fair value truly means for these assets. So, is the IT sector on breakout watch or trim consideration? For institutional investors, it's a nuanced picture. Specific subsegments, particularly those focused on generative AI integration and large-scale cloud transformations, show structural momentum and could be on breakout watch. However, some legacy players might warrant trim consideration if they fail to adapt quickly. Capital rotation is key here. The bottom line for sophisticated investors is that the recent rally in Indian IT is more than just a momentary bounce. It reflects a deeper repricing of a sector that has structurally evolved, offering robust earnings visibility despite macro uncertainties. Understanding these shifts is paramount for building truly insulated portfolios. For continuous, institutional-grade market intelligence, remember to subscribe to SR Money News IN and hit that notification bell. We'll continue to track these crucial structural developments.